Dumpster rental service in Rancho Cordova, California. Do you need a dumpster rental service in Rancho Cordova, California? Reliable Dumpster Service is your go-to provider for roll-off dumpster rentals tailored to residential, commercial, and construction needs. We make waste removal simple, affordable, and hassle-free. Our dumpsters are perfect for home cleanouts, renovation projects, yard debris removal, and construction sites. We offer various sizes to accommodate waste disposal needs, from small home projects to large-scale demolitions. Time is valuable, so we provide prompt delivery and pickup services. Our team works efficiently to ensure your dumpster arrives when you need it and is removed as soon as you're finished. There are no delays or hassle, just a smooth rental experience. At Reliable Dumpster Service, we also prioritize eco-friendly waste disposal. We recycle materials whenever possible, reducing landfill waste and creating a cleaner environment in Rancho Cordova. Our rental process is simple: choose a dumpster size, schedule your delivery, and fill it out. Once you're done, we'll take care of the rest. With our straightforward pricing and no hidden fees, you'll always know what to expect. For the most dependable dumpster rentals in Rancho Cordova, call 916-420-4210 today. Let us handle your waste so you can focus on your project.